So we've been looking forward to this webinar today. The purpose of the webinar is to share some insights from EKTOS testing about marine testing. In EKTOS testing and reliability services, we work for quite a number of product companies that develop, produce and sell various types of products and solutions for the marine sector, either merchant ships or passenger ships or Navy vessels. With this webinar, we want to demonstrate that EKTOS testing and reliability services is a member of this marine community, or community of marine-oriented companies. That marine testing and marine approvals is quite a big field to cover. So with this webinar, we'll try to start out with the basics of testing of electrical equipment for marine and offshore applications. So, EKTOS Testing and Reliability Services, or EKTOS TRS, a Danish company that owns and operates two ISO 17025 accredited test labs, one in Hvidovre in Copenhagen and one in Struer in western Denmark. And it can be relevant, for example, or even necessary when you have a product which is mandatory, which is up for marine approval or for type approval by a classification society.
Say there's an EMC part, power supply test, some climatic vibration, and then other tests. The limit beside the emergency band, that's actually higher than normal EMC. So I've given you an example on a graph. You can see above 150 kilohertz, everything looks fine. This is also one of the tests that's very much requested because of the new E10 revision 7 and 8, where there's these new requirements. Before the E10 standard stopped at 2 gigahertz. Really not a test where we've ever seen anything fail, because it's basically just to take the power of the device, and it often happens when we change between setups. And then we have climatic tests, low temperature, dry heat and damp heat. We have the vibration where we do a sinus sweep, a resonance, then we test on that.
So we'll be happy to hear from you and answer any questions and take up any discussion with you if you want.